And while India's startup ecosystem is robust with multiple schemes aimed at strengthening India's self-sufficiency, today on Polonomics, we take a trip down memory lane and see how India's startup ecosystem has evolved and what major government schemes have propelled this surge. Take a look.
The past decade has witnessed a remarkable surge in India's startup ecosystem. The number of tech companies has skyrocketed to 122,000 by 2023, with a peak year in 2020 seeing over 16,000 new additions. This growth has been fueled by several factors, including increased internet penetration, digitization initiatives, and a supportive government. Funding has also played a crucial role in this success story. Despite facing challenges in 2023, overall investment remained strong, with a total of $8.4 billion infused into Indian startups. Looking at specific sectors, we see fintech, retail and enterprise applications leading the pack. Additionally, a commitment to deep tech and R&D focused startups has seen steady growth, with a total investment of $6.73 billion over the past decade. Beyond established sectors, India's startup landscape is witnessing the rise of exciting new industries. Space tech, fueled by its recent privatization, has registered a surge in funding, reaching $115 million in 2022 and $122 million in 2023. Artificial intelligence and electric vehicles are also attracting significant investments, with the EV industry receiving a total of $4.8 billion over the past 10 years. Geographically, Bengaluru continues to reign supreme as the undisputed startup hub. The city has attracted $70.4 billion in funding over a decade. However, the story is not limited to metros. Several non-metropolitan areas are also emerging as centers for innovation. Jaipur stands out as a leader in fintech funding, securing $214 million in 2023. The role of women entrepreneurs is another noteworthy aspect. Women-led startups have witnessed a significant increase in funding, reaching $1.1 billion in 2023, a jump from $0.456 billion in 2014. The Indian government has actively supported the startup ecosystem through a range of initiatives. Some of the major schemes include Startup India Initiative and Startup India Seed Fund Scheme. Schemes like credit guarantees for startups offer credit to small-scale startups. Similarly, schemes like Atal Innovation Mission strive to build incubation centers across the country. These schemes, along with others, have played a vital role in nurturing and empowering Indian startups. By providing financial assistance, infrastructure support, and a conducive regulatory environment, the government is fostering a vibrant startup ecosystem that is driving economic growth and innovation. Bureau Report, WION World is One.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.